Intel is scheduled to report quarterly financial results after the stock markets close on July 24th, 2025. Investors are asking me if they should buy the stock before it announces the quarterly financial results. I'll answer that question in this video, as well as preview what investors need to look out for from this semiconductor company in the upcoming earnings release. I'll also share with you my proprietary discounted cash flow valuation model that calculates a fair value for this business. So in their latest quarterly release, which was published on April 24th, 2025, the new CEO, right? Remember the previous CEO, Pat Gelsinger, was forced out, and they have a new CEO who's been there for less than 1 year now. The CEO said that the first quarter was a step in the right direction, but there are no quick fixes as we work to get back on a path to gaining market share and driving sustainable growth. Gaining market share, I think investors would be happy with Intel if they just stopped losing market share. They've been losing significant market share in the server category as previous generation or legacy data centers that were based on CPUs where Intel dominated are being upgraded and transformed into data centers optimized for artificial intelligence. And those data centers are primarily based on GPUs, and NVIDIA is winning significant market share in that category at the expense of Intel. So that market is booming so significantly that even if Intel was to just stop losing market share, I think it would be a big improvement from Intel as they've struggled mightily in this category. The current macro environment is creating elevated uncertainty across the industry, which is reflected in our outlook, said the CFO. Even before this macroeconomic headwind and geopolitical tension as a result of the tariffs that were implemented or announced in April, Intel was already struggling. And so to add that to the mix just made things even more complicated for Intel. Now, I've spoken so much about their difficulties already, you might think I'm bearish on Intel stock when actually I've had Intel stock rated as a buy all year long in 2025. The reason I've had it rated as a buy is because of the valuation. The stock price had declined so significantly that the present value of the future prospects for the company is now an attractive situation, and that's why I rate it as a buy.
Click the link below to watch the full video.